everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are seeing a yellow border around your screen in Windows 10 or 11, don't worry. This issue is often related to an accessibility setting, and today I will show you how to fix it. The yellow border is often linked to the narrator feature. Go to Settings, then Ease of Access, and here select Narrator. Make sure narrator is turned off, as this can cause the border to appear. Next, check if high contrast mode is enabled. Go to Settings, then Ease of Access, and then select High Contrast. If it is turned on, disable it to see if the yellow border disappears. Now if the problem still persists, try updating your graphics drivers. Go to the Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section, right-click on your graphics card, and select Update Driver. This can fix any display-related glitches. Finally, restart your computer to apply any changes upon reboot, so the yellow border should be gone. And that's how you fix the yellow border issue on Windows 10 or 11. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.